Welcome to all. Good morning. Today you will learn about acid, base and salt. Acid, base and salt. You know that about 118 elements are discovered this time, and these elements combined each other to form large number of the compounds, and these compounds are classified into three groups on its chemical properties, that is acid, base and salt. But how the chemicals which is used to test the given substance is acidic, basic or neutral is called, that is called indicator. So you will learn today about the indicator. About indicator. Indicator is a dye, is a color which gives different color in different compounds on its properties. It tells about whether the substance which is given are acidic or basic by change its color or a smell. That is the indicator. On the basis of its properties, it is also classified into three group. First, natural indicator. Natural indicator. In natural indicator, first come that is litmus. Litmus paper, that is litmus or litmus paper. Since natural indicator that is obtained from the nature, so it is called natural indicator. It is available around us. Litmus paper is obtained from lichen plants. And it is purple in color by the chemical process. It is available in two form, either a stiff form or in solution form. In a stiff form, it is also litmus, blue litmus paper. These are in two form. One is blue litmus paper and other is red litmus paper. In solution form, it is also blue litmus solution and red litmus solution. And litmus paper indicate about acid by change its color. Suppose that these are the blue litmus paper, and when you added it into acid, then blue litmus change red. Blue litmus paper change its color red. So you will tell that these acidic substance is acidic in nature. Similarly, when you take red litmus paper and base is added on this red litmus change blue, thus litmus paper gives about acid and base by change its color. In acid, blue litmus change red, and in base, red litmus change blue. And if color of the litmus does not change, then that given substance is neutral. Other natural indicator is turmeric. Turmeric. Turmeric is yellow in color, you see, and in acid plus turmeric solution, then color of turmeric not becomes remain, no change take place, means yellow, that is remain yellow. And but with base, when base, in base turmeric solution is added, then it becomes red. Third natural indicator is red cabbage extract. Red cabbage extract, and it is in red, its color is red. Red cabbage extract is red in color, and in acid plus red cabbage extract, means in acid red cabbage extract is added, then it remains red, no color change. But in base plus red cabbage, then it becomes green. By using turmeric, red cabbage or litmus paper, you will identify the given substance is acidic or basic. So these are natural indicator. Other indicator is also synthetic indicator. In synthetic indicator, methyl orange and phenolphthalein is come in synthetic indicator, which is prepared in the laboratory. Second type indicator is synthetic indicator. Synthetic indicator, it is synthesized in laboratory. Here is a First, methyl orange. Methyl orange. It is orange in color. It is orange in color, and in acid, when methyl orange is added, then it becomes red. Then it becomes red. Acid change the color of methyl orange from orange to red. In base, methyl orange color change from orange to yellow. Orange to yellow. Synthetic indicator is phenol ethylene. Phenol ethylene, it is colorless in color. It has no color, and acid is added in phenolphthalein, or phenolphthalein is added in acid, then it phenolphthalein, then its color is not change, means remain colorless. And base plus phenolphthalein, it becomes pink. Third type of indicator is olfactory indicator. Olfactory indicator. This indicator gives about acid and base by change the smell or odor. Smell or odor. Onion extract or onion extract is added in base such as sodium hydroxide, then its color, then its smell will not is not detected. Means a smell is not detected, means a smell is destroyed. But onion extract plus acid such as HCl, then a smell of onion becomes destroyed. It is not detected. Means by similarly vanilla is also gives about acid and base by change the smell. In base, vanilla plus base, then smell is not found. Smell becomes destroyed, and in acid vanilla extract, then a smell is found, remain. So why three type of indicator you have learnt: natural indicator, synthetic indicator, and olfactory indicator. Next classes you will learn about the universal indicator.